A Tesla coil-based handheld device emits high-voltage arcs to ignite objects remotely via air ionization. A fingerprint is traced with red powder, engraved onto wax, then stamped onto paper for a detailed impression. Contrasting sauces are cross-patterned and spun into a clean spiral, creating a visually striking presentation. The furnace heats glass spheres for shaping and thermal processing. The finished marbles display intricate galaxy-like 3D designs with precise detail. A moist tree branch touches a 20,000 voltage line, causing arcing and dielectric breakdown. A humanoid robot uses a floor squeegee to guide water to the drain with adaptive, precise motion. A zipper truck repositions lane dividers with a front-mounted mechanism to adjust traffic flow during peak hours. A sharp sashimi knife slices cucumber into unbroken ribbons with precision, ideal for sushi decoration. Paper towels gently lift debris from oil surface, clarifying it for reuse without disturbing settled sediment. A motorized ball valve with electric actuation ensures high flow, low loss control in industrial systems. Shape memory alloy spring expands in hot water and contracts in cold due to thermal phase change. A roll-to-roll setup pulls a hidden banknote as blank paper feeds in, creating a money printing illusion. A circular mold forms plastic spoons in a radial layout around a central axis. The clean release shows high precision and molding efficiency. Wind from a plastic sheet spins a propeller to propel the model. A Jansen-style linkage converts rotation into smooth walking motion. Rubber paddles rhythmically tap the back to relax muscles and improve circulation. A diamond blade industrial saw cuts stone smoothly with water cooling and a rail-guided platform for stability. Table rotation and squeegee motion spread foam and clean, even circles for efficient glass cleaning. The stamping device prints detailed full-color images using a preloaded print head and integrated ink system. Its automatic impact mechanism enables efficient art replication in a single motion. Soda poured on a chilled plate quickly freezes into slush, creating a cold drink without ice cubes. Automated chick vaccination uses synchronized injectors and conveyors for fast hygienic processing. Dough is kneaded, portioned, and oiled by synchronized workers to ensure elasticity and prevent sticking in noodle prep. A diamond wall saw cuts through tiled concrete with water cooling to reduce heat and dust. Stacked glass teapots pour colorful infusions in a controlled cascade, blending precise technique with artistic presentation. The USB fan displays time and temperature with LED blades and offers flexible airflow control. A side panel compartment discreetly stores small items with power supplied through a hidden USB cable for a tidy car interior. An electromagnet reacts to music from a phone, animating ferrofluid in sync with the beat. The result merges sound and physics into a dynamic visual display. A 200 hole saw drills clean ceiling holes while containing debris. Numbered metal plates are welded, polished, and wiped to create a seamless, mirror-finished deer sculpture. The bottle forming process employs PET blow molding technology using preheated plastic preforms. Once heated to optimal temperature, the preform is inserted into a mold where compressed air expands it uniformly to match the mold cavity, resulting in a high-precision hollow plastic bottle. The slow juicer uses an auger and fine mesh filter to extract smooth, nutrient-rich juice with minimal foam and oxidation. Workers spread liquid bitumen over a membrane base on a flat roof. A brush ensures uniform coverage and gap sealing. The coating improves water resistance and extends roof lifespan. The curved glass mimics milk flow, elegantly presenting layered milk, espresso, and cocoa. A rotary cutter with spiral blades slices parsley efficiently as it moves forward. The wooden board ensures stability during chopping. An electric lift-down system lets kitchen cabinets slide down smoothly for easy access. Dual-tier trays with soft close and LED lighting optimize space and convenience. The silicone blade mop has a foldable head and sliding wringer for hands-free cleaning, efficiently removing liquid from wood or tile floors. Slotted CNC panels are mounted onto a frame, then curved wooden fins are inserted to form a wave-like wall. The modular design highlights precision in digital modeling and real-world assembly. Swirled wax is carefully poured into a silicone mold, forming natural marbled patterns. After solidifying, the candle is demolded into a smooth, sculptural container. This method blends artistic color flow with precise mold shaping. An outdoor filming rig combines a motorized turntable, adjustable lights, and a robotic camera arm. The control panel synchronizes platform rotation with camera movement for smooth 360-degree shots. This system delivers dynamic, high-quality commercial visuals with cinematic precision. The book's edges are compressed into a solid block for painting, creating a full image when closed. Opening the pages releases a satisfying crackle as the edges separate. The wooden cabinet transforms into a desk or table with hinged panels and pivoting legs. The cabinet door uses a concentric pivot hinge for a spiral unfolding motion. Rotating the handle moves triangular segments together, combining visual appeal with precise mechanical design. A custom drill bit shaped for electrical boxes allows fast, precise cutouts in concrete, streamlining installation without manual trimming. Sticks are rolled in incense powder and pressed for a uniform coating. Patterned silicone molds are secured, then filled with melted wax and heated evenly for a smooth finish. After solidifying, the candle is demolded to reveal detailed surface textures. A wall-mounted stainless steel frame evenly distributes hammock tension, with a hook for load bearing and stable rope alignment. A wall-mounted bracket hides inside a book to create a floating bookshelf, blending space-saving function with minimalist style. A wood grain veneer is glued to the ceiling and pressed flat for a smooth, natural-looking finish. Floor renovation starts by punching down protruding nails to avoid interference with sanding. An industrial sander removes the old surface and levels the wood. Gaps are filled with wood filler, then a glossy finish is rolled on for durability and smoothness. Steel mesh is anchored to the slope, then covered with shotcrete and sculpted to mimic natural rock. A marking cage is used to isolate the queen bee on the comb. The beekeeper applies a colored dot on her thorax for easy identification. Each color indicates the queen's birth year for tracking purposes. Thread is wrapped, cut, and stitched with fabric to form the tassel base. Lace and decorative fabric are added by machine for strength and visual appeal. A high-pressure steam cleaner uses hot jets to remove grime from surfaces without chemicals, reaching tight spots with a narrow nozzle. Laser lines guide precise drilling, while an inflatable airbag stabilizes the window frame for fine alignment. A wooden block is tapped along the laser path to mark or anchor accurately. Seaming machine crimps lids onto rotating cans to create airtight seals. 3D sublimation uses a vacuum heat press to apply designs onto curved items like earbud cases. Heat and suction ensure a full wrap, vibrant, and durable finish. A hydraulic press compresses solid tires onto rims, ensuring a secure fit without deforming the material. A patterned roller embosses brick textures onto wet colored concrete. This mimics pavers efficiently without manual placement. Angled guide strips keep small wood pieces stable and kickback free when cutting narrow stock on a table saw. Twisted steel rods are slotted into frames and spot welded to form durable bar grating panels. Clinker bricks are set with grooved adhesive for strong, level wall installation. A floor panel lifts to reveal a hidden basement staircase, saving space and maintaining design. Red urethane is poured into a mold coated with release agent. A heated press shapes the weight plate, then it's cooled and demolded. The final piece is trimmed for a durable, high-finish grip. Pink acrylic is laser cut with 3M backing applied for easy mounting. A CNC steel bender shapes continuous wire into square reinforcement frames with precision for concrete stirrups. A 3D striped fur blanket made of soft, dense fibers offers warmth, flexibility, and modern visual appeal. A dump truck unloads grain onto a graded floor leading to a storage system. Hydraulic tipping controls flow, ideal for rice mill intake. An electric brush with soft bristles deep cleans baby bottles and nipples for thorough, efficient hygiene. The rotating wooden case unfolds in a spiral for compact, stylish storage. An automated system inserts fiber tufts into rotating metal plates with precision guides for fast brush assembly. A dual-mode kitchen tool slices or minces ingredients using interchangeable blades and a press handle. Plastic dual-prong clips are used to hold in-wall cables securely and evenly. Each is fastened with a screwdriver for a clean, safe installation. A curved blade slices mango evenly, with gloves ensuring safe, efficient prep. A KUKA robotic arm with a CNC mill carves detailed marble sculptures with high precision. Multi-axis control ensures accuracy and efficiency in large-scale stone production. A matte film is squeegeed onto a wooden table for discreet anti-scratch protection. A worker uses a disc cutter to trace a circular groove into the tile surface, then taps it out to remove the core. This technique allows precise hole cutting without requiring a dedicated drill bit. Steady control during cutting is essential to prevent cracking beyond the intended boundary. A wire frame is shaped by hand to form flower petals. Colored resin is poured in to create a thin, translucent surface. After curing, it becomes a decorative handmade ornament. A multi-spindle CNC carves KUKA cups from wooden blanks with high-speed precision. Dual-end clamping ensures stability and uniform results. A tractor-mounted trencher uses a funnel-shaped rotary disc to cut uniform furrows. The spinning blade directs soil outward in a conical spread. It's suited for precision farming and large-scale field prep. Battery cells are arranged into a flexible block and wrapped with heat shrink plastic. The heated cover secures the pack, adding protection and structural stability. The magnetic barber mat secures clippers in place, improving organization and preventing tool damage. Manual rebar tool strips dates from stems to ease harvesting. Fresh milk is poured into buckets and carried using a metal frame. This setup improves transport efficiency and maintains hygiene. Crafted with tufting techniques, the artwork uses 31,000 yards of yarn over 74 hours to form layered flowing curves. The trimmed surface creates a soft sculptural piece that doubles as decor and visual centerpiece. A 3D LED display uses pixel sticks on a spatial grid to render volumetric visuals. Each point lights up independently, creating dynamic effects for art and advertising. A handheld laser welds two metal pipes with high precision. Intense localized heat melts the edges to create a strong joint without filler. A manual lift raises hay bales for easier stacking onto a truck. This reduces strain and speeds up field loading. An industrial robotic arm automates the egg fried rice process, from cracking eggs to plating. Sensors and synchronized controls ensure precise handling and consistent heat. The system boosts kitchen efficiency and cooking uniformity. Gold-plated bike components are assembled for a reflective, high-end finish. A lathe shapes the spinning blank, revealing vibrant inner patterns for precision decorative pieces. A watermelon slice is intricately carved into a vivid crane, showcasing precision and artistic fruit craftsmanship. The installer uses a utility knife and rubber mallet to cut and fit laminate flooring panels over tiled substrate. Accurate measurements and light tapping along the edges ensure a seamless and secure joint. The panels typically feature a click-lock system, enabling fast installation without adhesives. Glitter gel is precisely dispensed into jars by hand using a squeeze applicator to ensure consistent air-free filling. A 3-roller mechanism bends the metal rod into evenly spaced coils to form a precise helical spring. A handheld blower channels high-velocity air to clear dry leaves and debris from beneath outdoor stainless steel racks. The concentrated airflow enables efficient cleanup across a wide surface area. This vertical vegetable cutter features an automatic feed hopper for batch loading of items like potatoes and carrots. High-speed rotary blades slice the produce into uniform strips with consistent output. The stainless steel housing ensures hygiene and safety for industrial food processing. The 3-in-1 dumpling maker flattens, fills, and seals dough in one motion for quick, uniform dumpling preparation. A spray gun with extension and shield coats upper walls cleanly without scaffolding. The cabinet uses aluminum glass doors with soft close hinges and vertical LED lighting for display. MDF melamine shelves are precisely installed with power tools for a stable, aligned finish. Thick rope is wrapped around a cylinder, framed, then coated in clay for texture or molding. Worker checks trumpet pistons and removes one missing a spring to ensure assembly completeness. Soft clay is hand-pressed into molds, then carefully unmolded and laid out to dry, ensuring uniform tile shape. Automated system dips pen tips in red ink for consistent high-speed filling. The overshot water wheel uses falling water and gravity to generate torque for milling, operating efficiently without electricity. Wax is dispensed and stamped on an envelope to create a classic gold seal. A 3D printed beveling tool trims wood edges cleanly for chamfered or rounded finishes. Hot wax is dispensed into a floral mold and stamped while soft. The result is a detailed decorative seal for cards or stationery. The automated line loads snacks into a hopper, seals the bags, and packs them into cartons. Each package includes a small toy item. This likely serves as a promotional feature to attract consumers. A live edge wood door with metal frame and pivot hinge combines natural grain with modern design and smooth function. Steel enclosure with sliding lock stores, LPG tanks elevated for airflow and dryness. An automatic juicer extracts orange juice by pressing halves onto a rotating cone. Steel wheels are spray coated with glossy solvent paint for a smooth, durable, and corrosion-resistant finish. The Huawei MateBook Fold features a flexible OLED screen that shifts seamlessly between laptop and tablet. Its adaptive interface enhances multitasking and portability. The drawer system stores Cobalt 24V tools in custom-fit compartments for secure organization. A rugged deck lid protects it while ensuring smooth use on job sites. Molten candy is shaped into heart patterns by engraved rollers, cooled and cleanly separated for packaging. A helicopter carries a rotary saw to trim vegetation under power lines. Spinning blades enable fast, precise clearing from the air. Rotating disc blades grind square steel tube edges to remove rust. Chain-driven torque ensures clean prep for welding or coating. A printed backdrop unrolls to simulate a modern kitchen using realistic textures for photography or display. The corduroy velvet sofa is vacuum rolled for compact shipping and storage. After unwrapping, it expands back to shape due to its resilient foam design. An industrial gas burner scorches the pepper's outer skin and stems for easier cleaning. They then enter a rotating drum where brushes and air jets remove charred debris. The system preps the peppers efficiently while preserving their structure. A brush and running water are used to clean mold from the cheese wheel, ensuring hygiene before storage or distribution. Bifold doors slide into side pockets to hide the kitchen area, a space-saving solution for modern compact layouts. Parallel diamond blades slice stone blocks into slabs, while water cooling ensures smooth cuts and blade durability. Heated aluminum billet is press-forged into a precise molded shape. A hydraulic wedge on an excavator splits concrete or rock along cracks with controlled low-vibration force. Mechanical rollers remove fat from wet hides in a continuous tannery process requiring skilled control. A heat press prints floral designs on plastic containers for durable packaging. The slow juicer uses an auger and fine mesh filter to extract smooth, nutrient-rich juice with minimal foam and oxidation. Interchangeable blades mince or slice garlic directly into a chamber for clean prep. The machine uses side and bottom panels to neatly fold t-shirts into a compact form for packaging. Fringe machine sews tassels evenly onto rug edges for a clean finish. Technicians use a lift and brackets to safely install a Toshiba outdoor AC unit with precise piping and wiring. Polyurethane adhesive is applied evenly to the edge of a car windshield with a caulking gun. Consistent sealing ensures a watertight and secure fit. Sharp blades in a steel mold cut the food block into uniform cubes for precise portioning. Dual-color resin is poured into a flower-shaped mold to create a marble effect. The cured piece becomes a decorative floral box with unique veining. A wide trowel spreads wall putty evenly over textured surfaces for fast, smooth coverage. Wood planks are edge-joined and aligned with battens to prep for a seamless, sturdy panel glue up. A magnetic stylus lifts steel balls through a perforated board to form patterns. Tracing reveals shapes, while swiping erases them. It helps children develop motor skills and coordination. Macrame knots form a geometric mirror frame with trimmed fringe for a precise, handcrafted finish. A torch is used to melt lead rod into a heated seam, joining two metal edges. This method is typical for making waterproof lid flashing parts.